One of the most common health hazards of modern time is excessive fat deposition in the body. A very large portion of the human population is affected by it all over the world. Being overweight is the condition of energy imbalance in the body. This imbalance is reflected as storage of fat. Obesity is a large-scale social and medical problem all over the world and refers to having too much body fat. This could cause a host of medical problems like osteoarthritis, gallstones, liver problems, heart diseases, high blood pressure, high triglycerides, high cholesterol, diabetes, sleep apnea. Apart from eating too much, obesity can be caused by excess alcohol consumption, menopause, hypothyroidism, not exercising, etc. The first step to fighting obesity or being overweight is to start a weight loss program. This includes following a strict diet, exercise, and in some cases even surgery. There are so many ways to manage weight. Several herbs and spices can also help in weight loss management. Turmeric is one such spice. Research has indicated that turmeric can help in your weight loss efforts. In this article, we will discuss it in detail. If you already know about turmeric, please jump to the relevant section using the table of contents below, else please read on. What is turmeric? Turmeric, scientifically known as Curcuma longa, is one of the most relished spice. It belongs to the family Zingiberaceae, to which many spices belong. The rhizome of turmeric is used in the dried or fresh form in cooking, cosmetics, and traditional medicines. It has numerous bioactive compounds that endow several medicinal benefits to this spice. The most active and versatile of these compounds is the curcuminoids, especially curcumin. The other compounds that are present in turmeric are volatile oils, vitamins B and C, potassium, sodium, iron, omega-3 fatty acids, alpha-linolenic acid, proteins, carbohydrate, fibers, etc. These compounds provide turmeric with anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antimicrobial, analgesic, thermogenic properties and many more. 8 awesome benefits of turmeric in weight loss. Turmeric can assist in weight loss in several ways. Turmeric prevents fat accumulation and promotes browning of white adipose tissue. It has a thermogenic action which helps in fat burn. Turmeric is also known to accelerate diet-induced weight loss. Apart from this, turmeric can help with other conditions commonly associated with excessive weight, diabetes, heart issues, depression. 1. Turmeric prevents fat accumulation and hastens fat loss. Accumulation of fat in the adipose tissues or other tissues such as those of stomach and liver is characteristic of excessive weight and obesity. The white adipose tissue in the body is the major fat accumulation site. Angiogenesis, formation of new blood vessels, in the white adipose tissue is linked to the fat accumulation in the obese people. In order to reduce this fat accumulation, the angiogenesis in white adipose tissue needs to be targeted. Turmeric can be useful in this. The turmeric constituent, curcumin, can prevent fat accumulation in the adipose tissues. In a study, it has been shown to modulate the metabolic activities in the white adipose tissues that prevent angiogenesis. This, in turn, results in decreased fat accumulation. Curcumin has also been found to decrease the size of adipose tissues, i.e. lower fat accumulation in overweight patients. The body measurements of these patients showed a significant reduction of fat. Moreover, it has been observed that turmeric along with sulfur can prevent fat deposition and improve the lipid profile of blood and liver in overweight individuals. 2. Turmeric can accelerate diet-induced weight loss. Diet is a very important component of weight management. The calories that we consume through our diet require to check in order to prevent weight gain. The reduction of high-fat diet intake and consumption of food that help in weight loss is useful. There are several dietary products such as spices like turmeric which assist in the diet-induced weight loss. The carbohydrate fraction of turmeric is not absorbed by the body, which is helpful in fat reduction and prevention of weight gain. Also, the dietary fibers of turmeric help in this. Other studies have also shown the efficacy of turmeric, curcumin, in accelerating the weight loss induced by dietary changes. In a study, overweight individuals were put under weight loss treatment through diet and lifestyle interventions. Some of them did not show significant weight loss and were then treated with curcumin. These individuals after the curcumin treatment showed an enhanced weight loss. There was a significant increase in fat reduction and BMI was also found to decline considerably. 3. Turmeric promotes browning of white adipose tissue. Brown adipose tissue in humans has a significant function in heat production. This heat production comes at a cost of combustion of glucose and lipids. This novel action of the brown tissue is gaining popularity as a therapeutic potential against obesity. It has been observed that white adipose tissue can undergo browning and become an energy-liberating tissue instead of a storing one. There is a role of norepinephrine, a neurotransmitter, in the function of the brown adipose tissue. The turmeric constituent, curcumin, is found to be a promoter of browning of the white adipose tissue. It elevates the levels of norepinephrine, which induces the browning process. This action of curcumin, in turn, can prevent obesity by promoting the burning of accumulated fat in the body. 4. Turmeric has thermogenic action. Thermogenesis is a metabolic process that involves burning calories in the body for energy expenditure. This process promotes weight loss. Increasing thermogenesis in the body through diet is seen as a practical and feasible approach towards weight management. Many dietary products such as green tea and spices are known to promote weight loss through thermogenesis. Ginger, another spice of Zingiberaceae family, is known for its thermogenic action. Its components gingerols and shogols have been identified as potent thermogenic substances. 5. Turmeric suppresses inflammation associated with obesity. Inflammation is greatly associated with obesity or excessive fat deposition in the body. In cases of obesity, the accumulation of pro-inflammatory substances, IL-6, TNF-alpha etc., has been found. Adipose tissue produces substances called adipokines. Some of these, such as IL-6 and TNF-alpha, have inflammatory action. In the case of obesity or excess fat deposition, the inflammatory action of these adipokines leads to the production of oxidative stress. This inflammatory response further leads to other diseases like metabolic syndrome, cardiovascular disorders, diabetes, etc. Turmeric, being an anti-inflammatory substance, can be very effective in targeting the inflammatory action of adipokines. 6. Turmeric suppresses inflammation associated with obesity. Inflammation is greatly associated with obesity or excessive fat deposition in the body. In cases of obesity, the accumulation of pro-inflammatory substances, IL-6, TNF-alpha etc., has been found. Adipose tissue produces substances called adipokines. Some of these, such as IL-6 and TNF-alpha, have inflammatory action. In the case of obesity or excess fat deposition, the inflammatory action of these adipokines leads to the production of oxidative stress. This inflammatory response further leads to other diseases like metabolic syndrome, cardiovascular disorders, diabetes, etc. Turmeric, being an anti-inflammatory substance, can be very effective in targeting the inflammatory action of adipokines. Curcumin's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory action is known to target the obesity-associated inflammation. It downregulates the activity of adipokines and upregulates adiponectin, regulates glucose and fatty acids levels, and thus decreases the oxidative stress caused by inflammatory adipokines. In a post-hoc analysis of the randomized clinical trial, the effect of curcumin in serum cytokines concentration is studied. The subjects with metabolic syndrome were assigned a dose of 1 gram per day for 8 weeks. The result suggested that curcumin intake significantly decreased pro-inflammatory cytokines in patients. International Journal of Molecular Medicine published a study involving obese mice. The study investigated the effect of curcumin on obesity of the mice and its liver health. Curcumin-fed obese mice showed significant weight loss and reduced triglyceride levels. It also reduced the risk of fatty liver disease through its anti-inflammatory properties. 6. Turmeric has anti-diabetic action. The risk of diabetes is one of the most common among overweight or obese individuals. Therefore, the prevention of this disease becomes very important. Turmeric comes in handy here as well. It is known for its efficacy in the treatment and prevention of diabetes. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory actions of the curcuminoids, especially curcumin, have a great anti-diabetic effect. These substances lower blood sugar levels. Curcumin has also been found to be significantly active against diabetes associated with obesity. In a randomized, double-blind clinical trial published in the Iranian Journal of Nutrition Science and Food Technology, involving 80 hyperlipidemic patients with type 2 diabetes were categorized into two groups. The group which received 2,100 mg of turmeric for 8 weeks showed significant weight reduction and improved lipid profile than the placebo-receiving group. In a randomized, double-blinded clinical trial carried out for 6 months, diabetes patients were administered curcumin. The effect of curcumin in atherosclerosis is the main objective, and the results showed a reduced level of pulse wave velocity, visceral fat, and total body fat. 7. Turmeric prevents metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome is another prevalent risk factor associated with obesity. Fat accumulation around the abdomen causes metabolic changes that cause metabolic syndrome, i.e. the risk factors that lead to coronary heart problems. The reduction in weight can lower the risk of metabolic syndrome. Turmeric is an efficacious agent against metabolic syndrome as well. It lowers the cholesterol, triglyceride levels, and blood sugar levels, and collectively acts against the condition. In a double-blind, randomized trial published in Complementary Therapies in Medicine, the clinical efficacy of turmeric and black seed in managing metabolic syndrome is analyzed in 250 males. Turmeric and black seed were administered and the parameters such as waist circumference, body fat percent, hip circumference, and lipid profile were checked. At 8 weeks, turmeric and black seed intake showed improvement in all the parameters. Turmeric reduced cholesterol and black seeds reduced lipid levels. 8. Turmeric reduces depression. Depression is another complication associated with obesity and overweight that has a detrimental effect on the patients. Many studies have confirmed the relationship between obesity and depression both ways, i.e. obesity can lead to depression and vice versa. The metabolic disturbance caused in the body by obesity is linked to the depressive behavior in the patients. These disturbances include inflammatory signals, insulin resistance, and hormonal disorders. Turmeric is known for its antidepressant-like activity. Curcumin increases serotonin and dopamine levels that lead to a reduction of depression. In an animal study published in the European Journal of Pharmacology, depressive-like behaviors in mice were treated with the administration of curcumin. The results showed a significant reduction in the duration of immobility, but it did not affect locomotor activity. It also showed an increase in serotonin and dopamine levels. In a double-blind crossover trial, obese subjects received curcumin 1 gram per day, and severity of anxiety and depression were assessed using Beck Anxiety Inventory (BI) and Beck Depression Inventory (BDI) scales, respectively. The result concluded that curcumin has an anti-anxiety effect in individuals with obesity. In a randomized clinical trial, 60 patients with major depressive disorder were treated with curcumin 1,000 mg. At the end of 6 weeks, the study showed that curcumin could be used for treating depression.